Hey everybody, welcome back to class. We are going to jump right into our serial projects. So we should have already turned in our restaurant segmentation menus. You should review and comment on at least 3 to 4 classmates. Make sure you are noting what they chose as their menu items and what their pricing strategy was. Does it meet their target market? Again, that is our focus of that target market. Okay, today I want you to open up your ideas for your brainstorming of your cereal. What are your top 3 ideas? If you've not narrowed it down to your top 3, go ahead and start narrowing it down to your top 3. What are those? What do they look like? Today we are going to research and identify key attributes of marketing through customer analysis and planning. That's kind of our goal. We're going to get to that planning phase of our product, okay? Our purpose to help you identify key elements of your cereal's target market and to help you simplify and streamline your cereal brand to make it easier and effective to pitch. Our goal here is to be able to pitch this to the class as they are the cereal company who you are working for to market this new product. So first thing you need to do, if you have not done so already, you need to create a Google Form survey. Have at least 8 questions. These questions should represent similar to like a focus group. You want to gather information to find out what people would want in a cereal, okay? Flavors, colors, textures, shapes, characters, allergies, things like that. You want to gather as much information as you can, okay? Then you're going to send this to at least, you want to get 26 people. All right, you're going to put it on the class discussion board, so that's going to help you out, but you want to get as many responses as possible. Okay, send it to teachers who you know who will do it. Send it to parents, send it to guardians, send it to relatives, friends. Who is your target market? Okay, send it to people who you know who are going to help you. That way you can kind of identify trends. All right, that's the goal of this. Then you're going to start your presentation. I know that sounds silly. Why are we doing this yet? We have to get this information before we can go too much further. Okay, so we're going to just start putting together our presentation. We're going to find what we want our background to look like, what is going to sell the best. We're going to create a few slides just to give you the template to go forward. You can look through the Serial Project rubric, not on Canvas, it's on Schoology, and begin setting up your presentation. Set up the slides, the sections for the headings. It's okay if there's nothing on the slide except for the title. We're going to add to them as we go along, but this at least gets you set up and ready to go, and you know where things need to go as we continue in this process. So your title slide, okay? You may have already decided on the name of your cereal, so let's get that on there, okay? Product description, description of the need and why the cereal should go to market. Those are things that we're going to take care of in the next class. But you want to go ahead and get those slides ready. Competitive analysis, direct and indirect competition. Again, something we're going to take care of in another class, but get those slides ready. And then target market, demographics, psychographic, and geographic information. We're already in the middle of target market. You can get that slide done. Okay? Get the target market slide finished, and that way it's out of the way and finished and you know you're ready to go with your target market. Okay? Again, complete that target market slide. Be sure to fully define your target market for your cereal. Be specific. Where do they live? What's their age? What are they into? What flavor choices do they like? Why did you choose a character for them? Be specific. Okay? You guys have done a great job with the restaurant segmentation. Be specific in your cereal as well. And then start on your title slide and your introductory slides. These may change based on the information you receive in the surveys, but go ahead and get them started. After you've done this, go ahead and look back at the surveys at your Google form and see what kind of information you've gathered so far. Is there a top idea kind of leading in the eyes of the consumer so far? Also, make sure that you are periodically checking in with the discussion board and completing your classmates' surveys as well. That can take place throughout class as you are creating your slides today, okay? If you have any questions throughout the process today, again, today is just gathering that information, kind of getting it focused and starting our slides to get those ready to go as we prepare on this project. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Have a great day.